Hey there, are you thinking about selling your house and you're not really sure what you should do that could get you the most bang for your buck? We've got a little field trip in Lowe's today to talk about what that looks like. So there are three things that you can do that will really get you your money back and make the best benefit when it comes to the price of your home. Number one is paint. Paint is the easiest way to make the surfaces clean, make the space look fresh, and take away those bumps and bruises that you've been living with and probably not even seeing very well anymore, but makes it feel fresh and clean, and the buyer looks around and says, I don't even have to paint before I move in. If you're worrying that they're just going to change the color first thing when they move in anyway, who cares? Because this is something that's going to get you the best dollar, and they can make their personal design choices later. Number two, fix your plumbing and fix your lights. If something's broken, fix it. And the two easiest ways to do that are making sure that all of your lights work in your space and all of your plumbing works. You're not having any leaks. Those repairs tell the buyers that you have taken care of the issues as you've gone along, and you probably don't have hidden concerns that you just ignored and waited until later. Some of these light fixtures less than $100, and you can not only make something be in good repair, but also be updated as well. Number three, flooring. Do you need new carpet? Do you need some laminate? Are your floors showing wear and tear? This is one of the scariest numbers for buyers when they walk into a house, is they don't know what it's going to cost. And again, if you're thinking, well, someone's going to just come in and replace it all and do their own stuff when they first come in, that's okay. It will have gotten you the dollar in your pocket because the buyer didn't have to do something before they could move in and make it theirs. So if you're thinking that today is the day to make a change and you need to clean things up in order to sell, these are three things: paint, carpet, and minor repairs for lighting and plumbing. And if you just want to make a little refreshing around your home so that you can feel like it's a nice fresh space, those are some ways that you can make things feel better around you as well. If you need any more real estate help, let us know. We are here to serve you, as you know. As you know, our motto is making lives better. How can we help you with yours? Call me today so we can talk about either what you want to do to sell or what you want to do to feel good about your home while you still live there. Have a great day.